Welcome back to another video for HarborFinancialOnline.com. Today I'm going to be going over the 1040EZ form, and I'm going to show you if you qualify for it and how the form gets filled out and how to use the form on our site. So I'm going to get the video going and we'll walk through this together. So the 1040EZ form, I have a checklist here to see if you qualify to use this form because you have to meet certain requirements to be able to use it. It's a shortened form of your normal 1040. If you filed the regular 1040, this is a lot less information that has to be reported to the IRS. So it's a much easier form if you can use it. So we'll see if you qualify for it. Your filing status has to be singled or married filing jointly, so it can't be married filing separate. You can't claim dependents. Now you will, if you're married, you're going to claim yourself and your spouse, but you can't claim kids. You can only claim the earned income credit, so no other credits can be claimed if you're going to use this form. If you're going to do the child tax credit, you're going to want to do the normal 1040. You have to be under the age of 65 and not blind. So this is all at the end of the year, okay? You can't be under the age of 65 at December 31st. Now you can, we got lots more with this video, but I just want to show you real quick. You can prepare your return this year online through our site, HarborFinancialOnline.com. And later in the video, I'll take you to that after we cover some of this information. Some of the more requirements for the 1040EZ form is your taxable income must be less than $100,000. So make sure in that taxable income, that's not total how much you made, that's the amount of income that is being taxed. So if you look on your tax return, there's a certain line that says taxable income. That's what we're talking about. Now, again, for what's taxable income, some of these requirements we're going to go over here. You have to have had wages, salaries, tips, taxable scholarships, unemployment compensation, and your taxable interest can't be over $1,500, okay? Now if you earn tips, they have to be included in boxes 5 and 7 of your Form W-2. So what we're saying here is if you had a job where you're getting paid tips, to use the 1040EZ form, the employer had to have put those amounts of tips in boxes 5 or 7 of the W-2. The W-2 is what your employer issues you, so you can file your tax return. You can't have received any advance earned income credit payments, okay? That's another requirement. If you are a non-resident alien at any time during the year, then your status must be married filing jointly to qualify. So if you're a non-resident alien at any time of the year, the only way you can qualify to use the 1040EZ is if you file married filing jointly. Your filing status is not married filing. Let me backtrack here. If your filing status is not married filing jointly, then you'll have to use the 1040NR or the Form 1040NREZ. Okay, so that's the requirement there. Now your normal 1040 will give you lots more deductions and credits. So if you have very little deductions and credits, then you qualify with the requirements I'm talking about, then you can use the 1040EZ. But I always recommend with the regular Form 1040. You're going to qualify for a lot more things and a lot more write-offs. So if you can, I would recommend it that way. On our site, HarborFinancialOnline.com, you can prepare the return all online, and if you decide to go with the regular Form 1040 or the 1040EZ, it's going to fill in all that information for both forms, whatever way you decide to go. So let's right now take you to the 1040EZ form. Here's our site real quick, HarborFinancialOnline.com, which you can come here and get a lot of great information on tax and the 1040EZ form and other credits and deductions that are out there. We're constantly updating the site, so you can see all the links here on the side. And let's see, this is the 1040EZ. Now if you prepared the return online, it's automatically going to bring in this form, and fill in all the boxes for you. Okay, so we have this first box area is going to be all your income, which we talked about, and unemployment compensation. 7 through 11 here is going to be your tax withheld. That's going to be from your W-2s, the amount that was withheld. The earned income credit here. Like I said, this is the only credit that you can get using the 1040EZ is the earned income credit. If you want to do the child tax credit, you need to do the Form 1040. And also, if you own a home, you have lots of deductions by owning a home, so you're not going to want to use the 1040EZ because you won't be able to write off all the mortgage interest and taxes and all that with owning a home, because that's going to be itemized deductions, where with the 1040EZ you're just going to get the standard deduction. But for college students and people that just have one job and may be single and just not a whole lot of things that they own and they're able to write off, no small business, this is a good way to go. But if you do own a small business, a Schedule C, you're going to want to go with the Form 1040, the regular form. And again, I don't recommend this form, but if you have limited income and deductions, you may want to check it out. Here's our site, harborfinancialonline.com. So when we get done with the video here, check it out. You can do a quick calculator estimation of your taxes, see which way you're better off with the 1040EZ or the Form 1040. So let me get the video going in again. So I appreciate you watching our video. We have lots more video on other areas of tax and deductions, and we have videos on just the regular Form 1040 if you're considering doing that over the 1040EZ after learning some of the requirements. So check that out. We have other videos on if you own a small business, if you have capital gains, pretty much any area of tax we've covered. And we're constantly updating our videos and making new videos to give you guys this free information. So check out our site, harborfinancialonline.com. I appreciate you watching the video, and hopefully you'll check out some of our future videos. Thanks.